Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can work and think like humans. It involves the development of algorithms and computer programs that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as speech recognition, decision-making, and visual perception. AI is being used in a wide range of industries, from healthcare and finance to transportation and manufacturing. For example, AI-powered chatbots are being used to provide customer service, while self-driving cars rely on AI to make decisions on the road. While AI has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives, it also raises important ethical and social questions. As AI technology continues to evolve, it's important that we consider the implications of its use and work towards developing responsible and ethical AI systems. The Internet of Things, or IoT, refers to the growing network of physical devices that are connected to the Internet, allowing them to collect and exchange data. This includes everything from smartphones and home appliances to cars and industrial machinery. IoT is being used in a wide range of industries, from healthcare and transportation to manufacturing and agriculture. For example, in healthcare, IoT devices such as wearables can monitor vital signs and alert medical professionals if there are any changes. In transportation, IoT sensors can help reduce traffic congestion and improve safety on the roads. IoT is also being used in agriculture to optimize crop yields and conserve water. With the growing number of devices connected to the Internet, IoT has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with our physical surroundings. However, there are also important concerns around privacy and security that need to be addressed as this technology continues to evolve. Blockchain is a digital ledger technology that provides a secure and decentralized way of recording transactions. Instead of relying on a central authority like a bank or government, blockchain uses a network of computers to validate and record transactions. Each block in the chain contains a unique code, or hash, that links it to the previous block, creating an immutable and transparent record of all transactions. For example, blockchain can be used to securely store and exchange financial assets, to track the origin of goods in a supply chain, or to store and share medical records between healthcare providers. While blockchain has the potential to transform how we store and share data, it also raises important questions around privacy, regulation, and governance. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, it's important that we consider its potential benefits and risks and work towards developing responsible and ethical blockchain systems. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.